Wait, it took a wrong turn. Straight into oncoming traffic. Yo, hold up. You can't U-turn here. Where is it even going? It's rerouting. But there's a car right there. Speed it up. Okay, that recovery was actually a pro move. Oh? That was way too close. Yo, that sudden brake was Sue's. Stopped mid-intersection? People are honking now. Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. Alright guys. For today's one-take FSD challenge, we're testing the XPeng P7. Let's see if VLA 2.0 is actually cracked or not. Hey Xiao P. At your service. You feeling confident? 100%. Start time, 10:40 AM. Estimated trip, 1 hour 15 minutes. With VLA 2.0, you can just swipe the screen while in park to just start driving. Blue lights on. Vibing now, leaving the campus and merging onto the main road. VLA 2.0 is supposed to be smoother and more efficient. The devs say it handles everything better. Let's see if that's cap or not. Wait, it took a wrong turn again. Drove into the wrong lane. Bro, 2 minutes in and already a reality check. Xiao P, you're really doing too much for the cameras. Honestly though, before this update, we never had this issue. While testing XPeng cars, not sure what's up this time. Hope the final build fixes this L. Next, we got a right turn, yielding to pedestrians at the crosswalk. This is a huge part of the VLA 2.0 upgrade, and honestly, all the stops today felt supernatural. Braking was really linear. This red light stop, that was buttery smooth. It started slowing down way back, and just glided to a stop. Felt great. Left turn was solid. Empty road ahead. No traffic. Speed is on point. Even without lane markers, it stays perfectly centered. Back at the underpass. Tons of pillars here. I was low-key scared it'd miss the turn, but it handled it like a champ. Fast forwarding through the city streets. Yo, car parked on the curb. System caught it. That bypass was smooth. Zero hesitation. By the time I thought about steering, it already moved. Check this intersection. 2 lanes can go straight. Will it pick the faster one? Not quite there yet. This really needs more work. I mean, it's VLA 2.0. It's vision to action, right? Less complex processing in the middle. No need for tokens. The decision should be instant. If it just went through like that white car, it'd be way faster. The next few lights. While waiting, it still didn't pick the faster lane. To save time. Definitely something they need to fix for the public release. Unprotected left turn here. Oncoming traffic. Handling it fine. Yielding to straight goers. Yo, pedestrians. Model definitely sees them. Since they are not on the crosswalk. Not yielding seems fair. Now we got bikes and parked cars. Zero hesitation. It just bypassed it, smooth with it. Roads getting sketchy here. Traffic scattered, oncoming cars, pedestrians, the whole lot. How's it gonna play this? Wait, is it seriously gonna just wait in line? Oh, okay. Super decisive. Bypassed them immediately. Would have been goat if it used the turn signal. Back on the main road now. Traffic is pretty light. With clear lane markers, its performance is actually solid. Until this U-turn right here. Yo? No. You can't turn like that. Where is it even going? Why does this keep happening? I've literally had it. For real. Once is a mistake, twice is a pattern. XPeng, that's twice now. I'm keeping count. I don't get it. If the first fail was due to pillars blocking the view, okay, I can buy that. But this time? Is the AI model just not trained to U-turn from the right lane? Actually, it's a good thing. Proves this press car isn't some buffed up special edition. Bugs aren't the end of the world, but ignoring them is. Xiao P, This shouldn't happen on VLA 2.0, even if it is just a beta. Now we're on a super narrow side street. Oncoming car spotted. Let's see the yield. If it just guns it, it might not fit. Watching what the other guy does. Okay, it's slowing down, hugging the right. Managed to squeeze past. But the vibe of the drive is actually pretty comfortable. Slowly yielding, then kept it moving. This whole stretch is tight. Oh, it's hugging the right side way too close. Whoa, that tree was a close call. I got so nervous I low-key nudged the wheel left, triggered co-driving mode. That was sketchy for real. Pedestrians ahead, bikes on the other side. I had to nudge the wheel again here. The distance between the car and the pedestrians didn't feel safe at all. These three scenarios? All narrow road surprises. Exactly what VLA 2.0 is supposed to fix. It definitely feels smoother and more confident. But that gap with pedestrians needs to be wider. We need a bigger safety margin. Alright, left turn coming up. Oh, it's using the whole waiting zone before turning. Very by the book. Standard left turn. And done. Another unprotected left turn. For this right turn, it braked before even hitting the signal. Would be safer if it signaled then slowed down. Turning into these back alleys now. It's getting messy. Parked bikes everywhere. Anyone could pop out at any second. Real narrow road test. Back at it again. Big test for the system's awareness of its surroundings. Bike ahead on a curve. Vision isn't great. Let's see if it overtakes once we clear the bend. Alright, road's clear now. Exactly what I thought. Overtaking now. Pedestrian in the middle of the road. Bro is jaywalking in creative mode, for real. Detection is on point though. Slowing down and bypassing him. But same issue, that side gap is way too tight. A bit more space would definitely be safer. It's giving me major anxiety. Still, the way it bypasses is giving pro driver vibes. Narrow road, sudden pedestrian. Zero hesitation. It sees them and immediately yields. Just wish that safety margin was a bit thicker. Cruising through the side streets, bypassing parked cars like butter. Steering is super smooth too. None of that robot fighting human lag. Back on the main road. Feels reliable, just like before. Let's speed this up. Let's go. Merging into the turn lane by itself. XPeng could do this in the last gen too. So VLA 2.0 obviously handles it no problem. Yo, that sudden brake was Sue's. Stopped dead in the middle of the intersection? The car behind is literally honking at us. Big yikes. It made it halfway through. The light turned red, and it just camped there. Had 3 seconds on the green to clear it. But it chose to brake mid-intersection instead. Maybe it's a lack of scenario training? I guess that's understandable. But then right after, same situation. And it cleared the light perfectly. 3 seconds left on the green again. Zero hesitation, straight through. Oh, that was way too close. It saw it and braked, but man, talk about a close call. I was about to intervene when it finally braked. Looks like VLA 2.0 prioritizes smoothness for these blind spot pop-outs. But that smoothness is high-key stressful for the driver. Quick intervention is always safer here. Last 10 minutes of the trip, VLA 2.0 was finally acting chill. No more chasing clout. But my camera? It decided to do too much. Died 1 minute before arrival. Arrival time, 11:56 a.m. By the time you see this, XPeng VLA 2.0 should be pushed to everyone. So, out of 5 stars, what are we giving this performance?